corner.
Well, I don't know why he's put his hand on. I've got no choice but to stay here anyway, mate. But you're welcome. Ugh, now it's back on red. Hey, whose idea was that?
Right.
Yeah.
Which then
they're
snarls
having
up
to-
round town.
Yeah.
Because nobody can go straight up the
No.
road by the river because it's all.
And now he's obviously there.
That's it. And he shouldn't have just turned that way. Because you're only supposed to come left. You're not supposed to turn right.
I know. He's still got his indicator on as well, so it's like
Mhm.
obvious. What's he
And
doing
then
now? He's bullying
they'll
himself
come through, but you can't see. Their lights are on green, but you can't see round the corner
in. No.
as to whether you can get through. Off we go then, because we're on green.